I'm Anil Kumar. Welcome to my series on Crack SAT. Let me thank all the viewers and subscribers for watching my videos and posting excellent questions. Your contributions have made my channel worthwhile. The question here is, a watch loses X minutes every Y hours. At this rate, how many hours will the watch lose in 1 week? Now this question comes from one of our viewers who fails to understand the solution provided to him. So let us see if my solution can work. So I have a kind of different approach. I'm working out with conversion of units to make a solution for such questions. I hope that works with you. Now the question here is, a watch loses X minutes every Y hours. At this rate, how many hours will watch lose in 1 week? So what do we need to find? We need to find hours lost in 1 week, right? This is what we need to find. So that is what you need to find. What are we given? We are given that it loses X minutes lost time in Y hours. So that is the situation. Now how to get from here to there is by using conversion of units. So you don't really have to, think a lot. You don't really have a thinking time when cracking such questions. So what should you do? Just change the units. We want hours lost, not minutes lost. So convert minutes lost to hours, right? So how do you do it? 1 hour lost will be equal to 60-minute loss, correct? So that gives you a conversion. Do you see how I'm doing it? So we are going in steps to understand. So as soon as you do it, this unit, minutes lost, get cancelled, and you get your solution in hours lost in Y hours. Do you see that? Hours lost in Y hours. But what do we need? We do not need Y hours. We need 1 week here, right? So how do I get 1 week? So in a day, in 1 day, how many hours do we have? So in 1 day, we have 24 hours. We get 24 here. We want weeks. In 1 week, we have 7 days. Do you understand? So that is what conversion is all about. So once you write this, it becomes simpler. You could cancel hours with hours, right? I'm using different things, so that's very easy for you to understand. Days with days. What is left with you? Let me rewrite, right? So we are left with X 1 times 24 hours lost. Do you see that? Hours lost. So X times 24 hours lost in Y times 60 weeks. Do you see? So we could write this as Y times 60 week. Does make sense to you? Correct? Now that is what the result is. Now you can match the solution, right? So basically we need to simplify next step to get to the result. Now both 24 and 60 could be divided by 12, right? So you could divide it by 12 to get this result, right? I forgot to write 7, right? 12 hours times 7. So there is 7 also. This 7 I forgot, right? 7, right? So what we have here is this. So we have X times 24 over 60. You could divide these by 12. So 12 times 2 and 12 times 5. So what do we get? We get 2 times 7 as 14 X hours lost in 5 Y weeks. Do you see that? So we get our answer in hours lost over weeks, and the choice is clearly C. Do you see how we did it? So by conversion of units, you could easily solve such questions. So when you really get stuck and there is no way doing it, just convert the units. Think about where to start and where to end. And that is how you could easily convert the units and get your result. I hope that is clear. Feel free to write your comments and share your views. And if you like and subscribe to my videos, that would be great. And keep sharing. Thanks a lot and all the best.